Organelles, organelles, can't be a cell without organelles. Organelles, organelles, can't be a cell without organelles. A cell's kind of like a human body.
Nucleus, brain, one and the same, tells you what to do, what to say, how to play.
Golgi complex, like the kidneys, modifies and packages all the proteins.
Lysosomes are like the human stomach, uses enzymes to break down proteins, gives cell energy, and keeps it clean.
Cell membrane is like the skin, keeps the bad stuff out and the good stuff in.
Mitochondria is like the fat, gives us energy to run and scream. Mitochondria is an energy storing machine.
Endoplasmic Reticulum is like the intestines, takes the food where it needs to go, it's not just for show.
Cytoplasm is like the blood, surges through your veins or fills the rest. Cytoplasm is the best.
Cytoskeleton is like the bones, keeps you upright, keeps you composed.
The vacuole is like the bladder, storage area for waste and food, where it waits till it's got to move.
Some are like the liver, assemble proteins so you won't wither.
Organelles, organelles, can't be a cell without organelles.
The nucleus is like the brain because the nucleus tells the cell what to do, controls all the activities of the cell, while the brain sends signals to the rest of the body telling it what to do.
The Golgi complex is kind of like the kidneys since they both modify and package the proteins that are introduced to either the cell or the body.
Lysosomes are like the human stomach because both use acids to break down food and convert it into waste to leave the body and keep it clean.
The cell membrane is like the skin because the skin protects all the innards of the body and keeps the bad stuff out and the good stuff in. And the cell membrane protects the cell and keeps things where they need to be.
Mitochondria are like fat because fat supplies the body with the energy needed to function, and the mitochondria does the same thing.
Endoplasmic reticulum is like the intestines because both take the food where it needs to go in either the body or the cell.
The cytoplasm is like the blood because the cytoplasm is the substance in which the cell's life processes and take place. And the blood does the same thing and carries nutrients around the body like the cytoplasm does with the cell.
The cytoskeleton is like the bones because the cytoskeleton is a framework that supports the cell and the bones support the body.
Vacuoles are like the bladder because both are storage areas for waste and food while they wait to exit the cell or the body.
Ribosomes are like the liver because both the liver and the ribosomes assemble and produce all the proteins for the body and the cell.
Organelles, organelles, can't be a cell without organelles. Organelles, organelles, can't be a cell without organelles. A cell's kind of like the human body.
Nucleus, brain, one and the same, tells you what to do, what to say, how to play.
Complex, like the kidneys, modifies and packages all the proteins.
The lysosomes are like the human stomach, using enzymes to break down proteins, give the cell energy, and keeps it clean.
Cell membrane is like the skin, keeps the bad stuff out and the good stuff in. Mitochondria is like the fat, giving us energy to run and scream. Mitochondria is like an energy storing machine.
Endoplasmic reticulum is like the intestines. Takes the food where it needs to go. It's just not for show.
Cytoplasm is like the blood, surges through your veins or fills the rest. Cytoplasm is the best.
Cytoskeleton is like your bones, keeps you upright, keeps you composed. Vacuole is like the bladder, storage area for waste and food, where it waits till it's got to move.
Ribosomes are like the liver, assemble proteins so you won't wither.
Organelles, organelles, can't be a cell without organelles.
Organelles, organelles, can't be a cell without organelles.